Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right path, free web apps or a one-time Office purchase. Sign in with a Microsoft account so settings and files sync. Once done, check device specs, 4 GB RAM and available disk to avoid slowdowns. Make sure to turn on updates for security. If you pick web apps, bookmark Outlook, Word, Excel online. If you buy standalone Office, note your product key and keep it safe for activation. Now access the apps. Go to Office. And use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in your browser for free. This avoids subscriptions. Alternatively, download and run the standalone Office installer after redeeming your product key. Install to see, /program files and follow prompts. If you need full offline compatibility without cost, install LibreOffice. It opens Office files directly. Make sure to import templates and set default save locations so your workflow stays consistent across. Finish by activating or configuring autosave. If you bought Office, enter the product key and confirm activation. This unlocks full features. For web apps, ensure OneDrive autosave is enabled so files sync automatically. Once done, test a complex document to confirm fonts and macros behave. If something fails, repair the installation through settings or clear browser cache and sign in again. That fixes most sync and activation errors quickly. If problems persist, restart the app and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.